The 2025 BYD Tang L Drone is a remarkable leap forward in electric SUV innovation, combining BYD's proven hybrid technology with futuristic design and intelligent drone-assisted features, making it one of the most exciting SUVs of 2025. From the first glance, the Tang L Drone impresses with its bold and muscular exterior, featuring a sculpted front fascia dominated by a wide, closed-off grille, sleek LED headlights, and an aerodynamic hood that hints at its electric performance. The side profile is athletic and commanding, with sharp character lines, flush door handles, and large 20-inch alloy wheels that emphasize its premium SUV stance, while the floating roofline and integrated roof rails enhance both style and practicality. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar, an elegantly sculpted bumper, and the drone badging give it a futuristic, tech-forward presence, signaling that this is more than just a conventional SUV. Step inside, and the BYD Tang L Drone 2025 delivers a cabin that is both luxurious and tech-savvy. Premium materials like soft-touch leather, brushed metal, and piano black trim adorn the spacious interior, creating a sophisticated atmosphere for all passengers. The centerpiece is a 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen paired with a fully digital driver display running BYD's advanced Dialink 5.0 operating system, offering smart voice control, AI-assisted navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. Ambient lighting, ventilated and heated seats, and a panoramic sunroof enhance comfort, while smart storage solutions and foldable rear seats make the SUV practical for families and adventurers alike. The cockpit is designed to make driving intuitive and engaging, while rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and multiple comfort features, making long journeys effortless. Under the hood, the 2025 BYD Tang L Drone is powered by a robust hybrid system combining a high-efficiency petrol engine with dual electric motors, delivering a total output of around 500 horsepower and instant torque for swift acceleration. The SUV can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in approximately 4.7 seconds, while its advanced battery pack enables a pure electric range of up to 120 km or 75 miles, and a total combined range exceeding 1,200 km or 745 miles, making it suitable for both city driving and long-distance travel. The EAWD system provides precise handling and stability, while adaptive suspension ensures a comfortable yet controlled ride, absorbing bumps and offering confidence through corners. Technology is where the BYD Tang L Drone 2025 truly shines. Beyond its autonomous driving capabilities and AI-enhanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, this SUV integrates a unique drone-based system for aerial monitoring, parking assistance, and enhanced security. The drone can provide real-time overhead views of your surroundings, making off-road navigation, parking, or tight city maneuvers effortless. Additional smart features include wireless charging, OTA software updates, and an advanced multimedia experience that keeps occupants connected, entertained, and informed throughout every journey. Practicality and usability are also thoughtfully addressed. With a spacious cargo area, foldable rear seats, and a flat-floor design, the BYD Tang L Drone 2025 is equally suited for family adventures and professional use. Noise insulation and cabin comfort make it serene even at high speeds, while smart climate control ensures optimal comfort for all passengers. Overall, the 2025 BYD Tang L Drone is a bold and forward-thinking SUV that pushes the boundaries of what an electric hybrid vehicle can offer, combining performance, luxury, practicality, and intelligent technology in one package. The BYD Tang L Drone 2025 isn't just another SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of smart, sustainable driving. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car reviews every week.